So former FIFA referee Peter Prendergast has stalked his way back into the limelight again. This time, promising that local referees are going to start throwing football fans out of the stands for hurling threats and abuse at match officials. Listen to Prendy.
Ask the spectators who think it is okay to abuse the referees by telling them about all different kind of parts of their anatomy and about their families, that we're coming at you. We're going to be throwing you out of the stadiums once you start the abuse, hurling abuse and threats at the referees. We're going to start to throw you out of the stadium.
Now, first of all, threats are illegal and our police matters. So we don't have no problem with the threat part of the argument. But to throw people out of the stadium for unkind and even derogatory language, where that I go? This is big man football, Prendy. This is not Sunday school Jackson Dandy Shandy. And if I go to a football match and say, referee, you don't know nothing about football, you're an idiot, you're going to throw me out of the stadium for that? And who determines what is abuse of the referee? The same referee? And where else in the world you see that happening in football? England, Spain, France, Italy. Referee throwing people out of the stands for chanting, football referee, football referee. And who exactly going to execute the eviction of these fans? The referee and the army. Yeah, you know, as one caller on the Sports Explosion radio show put it this morning, Prendy was drinking. Yes, Prendy, did I drink?